If you're seeing the message due to local laws, we are temporarily restricting access to this content until X estimates your age. It means the platform doesn't have enough verified information to confirm you're over 18, and it's blocking certain content to comply with local regulations. Here's how to fix it quickly and safely. First, log into X using a browser, not the mobile app. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on your account and choose Account Information. If your date of birth is missing or incorrect, click Edit and update it to reflect that you're over 18. This often solves the restriction instantly. If the birth date field is locked, use the official Twitter Help Center to submit an age update request. Keep everything legit. Don't use fake info. Just correct the missing or wrong data. Next, go to Privacy and Safety greater than content you see. And make sure the Display Media that may contain sensitive content option is turned on. This setting is essential for viewing age-restricted posts even after your age is verified. Still blocked? Try changing your Twitter country settings to a region where content restrictions are lighter. You can find this under Account greater than Country. Just select a different option and refresh the page. If this helped solve your issue, hit like, subscribe for more helpful fixes. And drop your questions in the comments. I'll reply to everyone.